Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn about comparison. Take out your math book, page number 50. Page number 50. And here we will find the comparison. What we'll see? This is comparison. Comparison means what? कौन सा बड़ा है और कौन सा छोटा है उसको हम कंपेयर करते हैं, तुलना करते हैं. ठीक है, ये बड़ा है या छोटा है इसे. सो दिस इज बिग एंड दिस इज स्मॉल. ओके, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट बिग, बिग, स्मॉल. प्रैक्टिस इट. बिग, स्मॉल, बिग, स्मॉल. ओके, so here also big elephant, small frog, big elephant, small frog, big, small, big, small. Okay, and this house is big and this house is small. Big, small, big, small, big, small. Okay, this two tree, can you see? Yes, this tree is very big and this tree is very small. So big and small. Big tree, small tree. Big tree, small tree. So what we will do now? Okay, let's find out again. Big car, small car. Big car, small car. Big car, small car. So here is two cars. So this is big and this is small. This is bucket is very big and this cup is very small. This is big bucket and small mug. Okay, so big, small. Again, big, small, big, small. So now what we'll do, we will do circle the bigger object in the box. Here is written circle the bigger object in the box. Can you see? So which is big? I told you big, small. So this is big. We have to circle. Okay, take out your pencil and circle in the ball. Okay, and this is elephant. So this is big and this is small. This is big and this is small. So circle in elephants. Elephant is very big than frog. Okay, and this is which is the big house? This is big house. Okay, this is small house. Okay, this is smaller one and this is bigger one. So we have to circle with a pencil big house. And this is big tree and this is small tree. Okay, so we have to circle in a big tree. Okay, so here is two cars. We have to circle which car? You do and show me. This is big car. And here is which is the big object? Bucket is the big object. So we will circle the big object. We'll circle the bucket. This is small one. Okay, children, do it at home and send me photocopy. Now we will compare with the short and this is short means इससे छोटा है. ठीक है, ये बड़ा है और ये छोटा है, लंबा है और ये नाटा है. ठीक है, so we will do comparison with the taller and shorter. Okay, long and short, long and short. Okay, we can say long and short. This is short one and this is long one. Tiger is a long and cat is a short. Okay, so we have to circle in a cat. This is shorter one, shorter than tiger. Which is the shorter than big umbrella, small umbrella? Here is big and small. So here is a long umbrella and here is a short umbrella. So we have to circle the shorter one. Here is 2 parrots. So we have to circle in a which parrot? Shorter. Shorter means always small one. Okay. And this is tall, and this is short, tall. So shorter one we have to circle. Okay, we will circle the shorter one. And this is a long. This is long lion, and this is the short rat. Long lion and short rat. So shorter one we will circle. Now this is what? Giraffe and zebra. Which is a long, which is a short? So I hope you will say all. Zebra is shorter than giraffe. Yes, you did it. So we got the zebra shorter than giraffe. Yes. Now you complete, children, at home and send me photocopy, right? Thank you. May God bless you.